Very often we claim from platforms like this that what we are making is hatke. But Dil Ki Baatein is indeed one of the bravest concepts that could have flowered in the entertainment landscape. And I must applaud Nachiket and Sony for daring to touch an idea as brave as this, and Ram and Gurdeep for giving their hearts to it, and to these very brave boys on my right, Dhaval and Guru, to give it the structure and provide the nut and bolts with the support of Zama Habib, one of the most brilliant writers I have met. And I'm certain that this serial is going to pave its way into the hearts of the nation. And because I have always maintained that it's the market which is timid, but the nation is ready for new, fresh content. And this is what my association with the entertainment space for the last 40 years screams out and says. Whenever I have touched life, raw life, which has consumed me, I have dealt with it in an engaged and in the medium that I deal with. I have touched people, and I'm certain that Dil Ki Baatein is going to touch the nation. And this is beginning at a note which may seem grim, but let me assure you that we are hope peddlers. We hope to inspire the nation. We are storytellers which want to help fellow human beings to make it through the rough nights that they may face. Because ultimately, Dil Ki Baatein is a story of hope and audacity to look at life in its eyes, and to dare to smile and celebrate. So with this, I would hand over the mic to this bright young man who has taken the charge of this very brave civilian. Dhaval.
First of all, I would like to thank Bhatt Saab to having mentoring us and supporting us through the way. And second of all, Sony to have courage and the brave to support a concept and a show like this. And it's also the cast we have, Ram Kapoor, Gurdeep, Pankaj Dheer and all. Not only we've managed to have a great cast lineup with us, but also brilliant actors. So we've, I think, started our job on the process of doing it, and we would help all your support to make it a success. Thanks.
I think everything has been said. I'd like to invite the cast on the stage.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you so much for coming. Like I was saying, I'm very honored to be a part of a project like this. Television में अक्सर जब success हासिल होता है, you get stuck in very similar projects for 3 years and 4 years and 5 years. I was looking for something different and something meaningful, and this project came my way. Bhatt साहब ने आपको बताया, I just want to re-stress on that. Please don't think this is some big tragic story that we're telling, because it is absolutely not. The beginning is tragic in a sense, because when you lose your spouse, the love of your life, of course it's a big tragedy. But this show is about hitting rock bottom and how to pick yourself up from there. So it's a journey of a man who has to do the unthinkable, because of which he hits rock bottom. But what happens after that? How, with the help of his family, with the help of his daughter, he has to find his way step by step back to normal life. So it's a very inspirational story. There are parts where the child will become the parent, and the parent will have to become the child. It's a story that touched me very deeply, and I'm sure it'll touch all of you. Thank you so much.
Good evening, everyone. Yes, even I feel very honored and privileged to be a part of this story. Of course, the makers are big. मैं अपने आप को बहुत lucky समझती हूँ. बहुत ही अच्छी story है और एक अच्छा comeback है मेरे लिए, क्योंकि मैं आप लोगों को बहुत time के बाद दिख रही हूँ. और ये बहुत ही real और practical story है, क्योंकि ये एक lady की journey है जो death को accept कर रही है, because she's seeing that how draining it is to the husband. पूरी घर की economy जा रही है, बच्चे उसके उस पर ध्यान नहीं है, तो कैसे वो ये सब समझती है प्रैक्टिकली और कैसे वो डेथ को अपनाती है और खुशी खुशी, बिल्कुल वो रोती नहीं है. She's got a smile pasted on her face all the time. So I think this is a beautiful story and again I would say very lucky to be in it. Thank you.
मैं ये कहना चाहूंगा कि आज का दिन बड़ा ही एनकरेजिंग दिन है, क्योंकि कई सालों से कुछ अच्छे माइंड्स जिन्हें हम कहते हैं, इंटेलेक्चुअल माइंड्स, राइटर्स, इनका एक अजीब सा अकाल पड़ गया था हमारी इंडस्ट्री में. और मैं दावे के साथ कह सकता हूं, क्योंकि मुझे कई साल हो गए यहाँ पर और बीच में मैं ये देख रहा था कि बहुत ही भेलपुड़ी किस्म की सीरियल्स बनने शुरू हो गए थे हमारे देश में. और लोग ये भी कह रहे थे कि साहब वो पाकिस्तान वालों की जिंदगी देखिए कितना खूबसूरत है. आज अच्छा ये लग रहा है कि a man of the caliber of Mahesh Bhatt, who has given this country an international image as far as cinema is concerned. I mean, can anybody forget a Saransh? Can anybody forget an Arth? Can anybody forget a Naam? And a Sadak Sir? I was very fortunate to be part of that. कहने का मतलब मुद्दा मेरा ये है कि जब अच्छे माइंड्स मिलकर के एक प्रोजेक्ट में आते हैं तो उस प्रोजेक्ट को कोई रोक नहीं पाता. और मेरी दिल से ख्वाहिश है कि ये शो जैसा भी है, जैसे भट्ट साहब ने समझाया, राम ने बताया, मैं चाहूंगा कि ये शो खूब खूब चले और आपके दिलों को छुए. थैंक यू वेरी मच.
Hello everyone, and it's a great opportunity for me. Thank you Guru sir, thank you Mahesh sir. Hello, I'm so sorry for being a bit late. Actually I'm so nervous right now that समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि अपने feelings express कैसे करूँ, but it's launch हो रहा है, बहुत खुशी हो रही है and I'm sure जैसे पंकज सर ने कहा ये जो project है वो सबके दिल को छुए and सबको बहुत अच्छा लगे. I'm hoping for the same. Thank you so much.
मुझे अभी किसी ने बताया कि उसको भी माइक चाहिए, तो प्लीज जरा इनकी बात भी सुन लीजिए.
Hello everyone, this show good and nice go, so you everyone please watch.